Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's a rainy Sunday here, Mother's Day 2021. I'm going to give you guys a real quick project update here on old Henry 4, and maybe just a quick walk around here just to get a video up today, let you guys know where we're at. I've been meaning to do a video update for a long time, but a project update, I'm sorry, and just haven't been able to because lots of things have changed. So Henry 4, the cab was down on KJ's trailer, but he needs a trailer, obviously, for mowing. There's our BX. That poor old girl's got over 10,000 hours on her. It gets used quite a bit. This is KJ's Corn Pro. It used to be Diesel Creek's Corn Pro. It's now our Corn Pro. Really nice trailer. KJ looks like he tried to take it over the edge of the driveway here, but it's pintle hitch, so you don't have to worry about anything. And then, as you can see here, we've got Henry 4's cab up on the dolly. I got to get a tarp or something for it to get it covered up. Just some random junk laying around here. Front loader off of the BX, work truck, and then the frame for Henry 4 sitting here. And again, random tools just laying everywhere. Love it. There's my jack. So Henry 4's frame is getting wet. I wanted to show you guys this. Remember I cleaned that spindle all up, that knuckle, and painted it with whatchamacallit? Yeah, right? A lot of good that did. I should just take that off and take it in the house, but just wanted to show you that. That's Rust-Oleum primer. It's been rusted right through there. Interesting, huh? So, yeah, a couple projects laying out here in the rain. My brother brought a toolbox over here that needs to be scuffed down and painted. He said he was supposed to come over yesterday, but that never happened. Then we got the junk pile. Yeah, V10. It's a good transmission sitting in the rain. V10's junk, we know that. We all inspected that thing, right? Doors, hood, fenders, bumpers, tires, wheels, just a whole conglomeration of things. Hopefully KJ makes a run to the scrapyard real soon. Got the steps off of Henry 4, the stands off of the cab stand. Bed stand. Cheryl's got the grass looking really nice. But what you guys don't see, what you guys probably don't see, is that SN95 Mustang. Either of them, actually, the silver one or the purple one. KJ did sell the purple one, so that's not going to happen now. He, I should say, went ahead and traded that one for some tools and then sold the tools and moved right along from there. We sold the silver one. It ended up going to one of KJ's buddies. So we're not going to do anything with it. What else has happened here differently? Not too much, I guess. Those are the two projects that we were hoping to do that we don't have anymore. Of course, here is the Horizon 200. Nobody came and did it while we were gone. One of these days, one of you guys are going to show up here at the garage and actually do something. Yeah. Making headway on it. Slowly but surely, she'll get done. All right, so like I said, just a little quick, short and sweet update here at Mongo's garage. I'll do some video here later today, do some things maybe, and then we'll figure it out from there. All right, guys. KJ, what are you doing, Bubba? We got a new bumper cover. Someone's hiding in the Jeep. I think she just flipped me off. You can't see her. Need my help under there, Bubba?
Yes.
So is it yes or is it no?
Which truck is gonna buy one
What? So Kenny took a job to do a rear bumper on a whatever that thing is. Wrangler? Junk. Let me tell you why. Rear bumper. That's the old one. And that's the damage that was done to it. I swear to, if you can even hear me right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. No less than 30 screws just for the rear bumper. Give me an 85 Bronco any day. We're in a greenhouse. We got the rear bumper back on there. Boy, I don't know what Chrysler was thinking. Or I should say, I don't know what Stellantis was thinking when they designed that rear bumper. There's over 40 fasteners just to get the bumper on and off. Goofy.